Ladies and gentlemen, future neighbors, and Florida dream chasers, I'm thrilled to invite you to an unforgettable open house at 1906 Chathamoor Drive in the heart of Orlando's coveted MetroWest community. Join us this Saturday, July 5th, or Sunday, July 6th from 12 to 4 p.m. and step into a home that blends modern luxury with true Florida charm. Picture this: a stunning single story, four bedroom, two bathroom pool home with 1,675 square feet of pure elegance nestled in desirable Metro West. Walk through the door and you're greeted by an airy open concept layout, soaring ceilings, rich wood floors, and sunlight flooding in. The remodeled kitchen, a chef's dream. Dazzling white quartz countertops with blue and silver sparkles, sleek refaced cabinets, a chic backsplash, and top-notch stainless steel appliances, including a large fridge, new microwave, and dishwasher. The breakfast bar and cozy eat-in nook with ceramic tile are perfect for morning coffee or casual dinners. The primary suite is your private sanctuary with real wood floors, a spacious walk-in closet, and a sliding glass door to your own pool oasis. The ensuite bathroom, a total showstopper, new granite countertops, dual sinks, a sleek glass enclosed walk-in shower, and ceramic tile. Three additional bedrooms offer flexibility, two with low maintenance luxury vinyl plank flooring, perfect for guests or a home office, and one with real wood floors. The second bathroom sparkles with new granite countertops, a renovated shower tub combo, and modern fixtures. Now the backyard, your personal retreat. A brand new pool enclosure from 2024 surrounds the sparkling pool, perfect for year-round swims. A vinyl fence from 2015 ensures privacy for pets or parties. Unwind on your personal screened-in entertainment and pool area. Keep your lawn lush with the sprinkler system, and live the Florida lifestyle at its finest. This home is move-in ready with a new HVAC system from 2020, fresh interior paint, energy-efficient windows, a 2015 roof, and a two-car garage. MetroWest is the place to be. You're minutes from top-rated schools, world-class attractions like Disney, Universal Studios, and SeaWorld, and upscale shopping at the mall at Millennia. With easy access to I-4 and 408, downtown Orlando and Disney World are just a quick drive away. Orlando's real estate market is booming, and Metro West homes are in high demand. Properties like this don't last long, so come see 1906 Chathamoor Drive this weekend, Saturday or Sunday, 12 to 4 p.m. Sip refreshments, tour this Metro West gem, and imagine your life here. Trust me, you'll want to feel this home's magic in person. This is your chance to embrace the ultimate Florida lifestyle. Don't let it slip away. See you in Metro West, friends. 1906 Chathamoor Drive is waiting to become your forever home.